All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So this is a bit of a different video. I was going to do a insert for this product right here, but I decided to go ahead and just give it its own video. I thought it would be probably eclectic and pretty neat. And this is a company who produces wall art, basically. They take old cell phones or just whatever cell phone is they're doing at the time, and they put it into a frame and break down every piece. And I thought I'm going to do the first look with you together. Oh boy, that is eclectic. That is very, very nice. We're going to take a closer look. So I've got it out of the packaging here, and this is something to be seen. This is the iPhone 4S broken down into every piece. So if you're a tech enthusiast, this might be something you're interested in. I will leave a link down below, and they have different iPhones and different phones on there. They've got the first gen, the 3GS, the iPhone 4, and obviously this is the 4S. It looks like they do all the way up to the iPhone 8. Oh, the iPhone 10. That's pretty nice. So this is a good collector's item right here. So obviously, depending on how old the iPhone is or how far back it dates, the prices will vary. But you know, this one right here in particular, this iPhone 4S is a pretty affordable version of the ones that they offer on the site. This one is only $139. So for a person who collects art, this might be something that you're interested in. So let's pull this off here. Wow. You know, I'm always skeptical about things, and this is pretty eclectic, man. This is something that's going to go great in my office because while I'm not pro iPhone, I'm definitely pro cell phones and technology. So I personally never actually just sat down and looked at a device broken all the way down into pieces like this. And I think this is deserving on its own to have a good look at it. So I'm going to post this up on the wall, and you'll see this in some of my videos more than likely. I posted behind me. I'll find a spot to put it. But this is from the company here, and I appreciate them sending this over. This is actually really cool. I didn't know what to expect, but this is really cool. This is really cool. So I'll leave a link down below so you can check this out. They have all the way up to the iPhone 10, looks like it's how current they are with them. But the farther you go back, obviously the first gen is going to be a little bit more in price. But this one at $139 is actually not a bad price if you wanted to decorate your office or you just wanted to collect. You could grab them all and really decorate your office. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Really, really sweet and to the point. I wanted to show you this item as it came in. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.